Today our topic is break-even point. Break-even point is that point where the company sales is equal to its cost. It means there is no profit, no loss at this point. Let's suppose company have a total sale of $50,000 and its total cost is also $50,000. So there is a zero profit. So this zero profit is called break-even point. If company wants to increase its profit, then it should have to increase its sale. If its sale reduces, declines, company will suffer a loss from 50,000. If its sale decreases from 50,000, definitely company will suffer a loss. If its sale increases, company will earn a profit because the effect of fixed cost. So here we will solve this question. The first requirement is contribution margin. So first we will study what is meant by contribution margin. Company deduct variable cost from the total sale. The remaining is called contribution margin. In this case, total sale is $4,500 while variable cost is $1,800. So contribution margin is $2,700. In this way, by deducting variable cost from sale, that is called a contribution margin. Our next requirement is contribution margin ratio. Contribution margin ratio can be calculated through this formula: 1 minus variable cost over total sale. In this case, variable cost is $1,800 while total sale is $4,500. So 1 minus 0.4, it is 0.6, or we can say 60% contribution margin ratio. Next point is number 3, break-even point. We find break-even point through the help of formula. The formula of break-even point is fixed expense or fixed cost over contribution margin ratio. We are here calculating break-even points in sales dollar. Break-even points in sales dollar. So in this case, our total fixed cost is $1,200 while contribution margin ratio is 0.6. So break-even point is $2,000. It means at $2,000 we have no profit, no loss. If our sale increases from $2,000, we will earn revenue, we will earn profit. If our sale decreases from $2,000, we will suffer a loss. The next and last portion of the question is prove your answer. So we have produced this result. We have to prove that our answer is accurate. In this case, our sales should be $2,000, while we will less variable cost. We have already calculated that variable cost is 0.4% of sale. So here we will take the 0.4% of sale, that is 2000. It is $800. Our contribution margin is $1,200 and our fixed cost, which is already $1,200. So here the profit is 0 because this was our break-even point in sales dollar.